They say the truth will make you whole and inspire moments of clarity. You see, all that you've chased and put your full faith in may not be real at
Similar to